Are you ready to learn how to create buildings for astronauts? To get started, press the green play button. Let's start by building on Earth. On Earth, we'll learn how to build stable buildings that can protect astronauts from the planet's weather like rain. To get started, let's help finish this building. It looks like it's about to rain and the top of the building isn't finished. Our goal is to keep the astronaut action figure safe and dry. Let's add a roof beam here to complete the top and keep out the rain. To add a roof to the building, drag a roof beam from the toolbox into the building area. Attach the roof by connecting the ends of the roof to the ends of the beams in the building. When you've finished your roof, press the play button to try it out. Nice work! You kept the action figure safe and sound. This building is only half complete. Can you complete the other half? Use the yellow wall beam to create the other wall and the roof beams to finish the top. The roof will block the rain. Great engineering! You protected the astronaut with your smart building skills. This time, do you think you can add the whole roof yourself? Use the two roof beams to complete the top of the building and keep the rain off the astronaut. If you get stuck, use the hint button to get a hint. Great engineering! You protected the astronaut with your smart building skills. This building needs a wide roof to block the rain. However, a wide roof collects a lot of rain and might even break if it gets too heavy. If you see a glow where beams connect like here, it means that there is a lot of weight pushing on that connection. Too much weight will cause the connection to break. Adding beams like this to support the roof will make it less likely to break. Can you complete the other half of the roof? Don't forget to add support. Nice work! You kept the action figure safe and sound. Do you think you can complete this whole building yourself? Make sure to make the roof wide enough to cover both action figures. If you need a hint, don't forget about the hint button. Great engineering! You protected the astronaut with your smart building skills. Wow, it just just keeps raining, doesn't it? Oh, I have an idea. Let's collect rain in a barrel to use when things get dry. Use roof beams to guide the rain into the barrel. We'll know it's a good roof if we can fill the barrel up to the line. And don't forget to keep the astronaut dry. Great job! You made a fantastic building! Let's fill up another rain barrel, but this time you've got to build the whole building yourself! Want to save a building so you can revisit it later? Tap the camera button to capture a picture on Sunspot's tablet. Then, when you want to revisit the building, you can load it from Sunspot's tablet. You filled the rain barrel! Nice work! Floor beams like this give the astronaut a safe place to stand. Connect to them with other beams to hold them in place. For an astronaut to be safe, it needs to be standing upright on a floor. Can you complete the rest of the building to keep the astronaut safe and dry? change to protect the astronaut better. Tap the reset button.
And you learned something about this problem by trying something new.
Nice work! You kept the action figure safe and sound. Do you think you can create a building that bridges this gap? Make sure to place a floor under the astronauts to give it a place to stand. Whoopsie! The astronaut fell over! What can we do to make the Great engineering! You protected the astronaut with your smart building skills! 3 astronauts in one building? It's an astronaut hotel! Remember, as your buildings get bigger, you'll need to support them with additional beams. Pay attention to the glowing connections to know which parts of the building need support. astronaut got bumped!
You learn something about this problem by trying something new.
Great job! You made a fantastic building! Someone put this rain barrel in a funny place. Do you think you can create a building that will fill it up anyway? This one looks bigger than the other barrels. We'll need to collect as many raindrops as we can to fill it up. Want to save a building so you can revisit it later? Tap the camera button to capture a picture on Sunspot's tablet. Then, when you want to revisit the building, you can load it from Sunspot's tablet. It looks like we didn't collect quite enough rain. How can we...
You learn something about this problem by trying something new.
Nice building! I think you're ready to go to the moon. On the moon, we'll learn to create buildings that can withstand meteoroids and moonquakes.